We unpacked and organized a new refrigerator away from Monte Cristo in the real world. Thanks for joining us. Because the ice maker is located on the left door, there is very limited space for storing over there, but there's a lot of room on the right side, so it really didn't cause a problem for me. How the lights look. All right. This is the ice maker. Snaps back. One of the major complaints I read about this refrigerator was the inability to remove all this pink plastic stuck on it. And that's true, I can't get it off of it. It just won't come out. It's all over the refrigerator. We try to get a magnet whenever we go on a trip, so this is our little area of memories. I've had this refrigerator a little over a week now, so I'll give you what I like and what I don't like. It does seem a little roomier than the refrigerator I had that was basically the same size within just a point something cubic feet. So I like the fact that it seems roomy. We've managed to keep it fairly well organized since we've had it, so that's unusual for us. It does seem to be more fingerprint resistant than the other refrigerator I had. I really haven't seen that many fingerprints on it. I haven't felt the need to clean it that often. Not that I'm that great a cleaner, but it doesn't seem to show up handprints as much as the other one did. I really like, I know this is silly, but I really like the way the lights come on gradually. I'm gonna see if you can tell. When you open the door, they get When you open the door, it's a little bit dark and it gets a little bit lighter. It doesn't have that big flash of light at one time. It just has a little more elegance to it. The drawers are really smooth, rolling in and out. They don't catch on anything, and I like the way they roll right now. Of course, it's brand new, but that has always been a problem in refrigerators I've had before. They just seem like they're not really on a roller, like they just come in and come out. The shallow side of the refrigerator, this part, I really thought it would be an issue for me, but so far it hasn't bothered me at all. I'm able to find my salad dressings, which is about the only thing that will fit on there, along with these little condiments like horseradish, and this is pimento, and so just little stuff fits up there. And you know, if you had like some little sauces and stuff like Captain D's stuff that you wanted to keep in there, you could do that. We didn't have ice the first day, and I thought, oh great, we're not gonna have an ice maker, and I'm gonna have to send the whole thing back. But no, I jumped the gun. I let it stay overnight, and the next morning when I got up, I had ice, and I haven't had any issue with not having enough ice. Now, we haven't had any parties, no great big shindigs out here, but so far, I've had plenty of ice and it hasn't been an issue. The main thing that I really like about it is a clean new refrigerator. It's pretty awesome, so I won't complain too much. Now I'll tell you the things that I don't like about it. First of all, the pink plastic on every little nook and cranny. I can't get it out. I don't know how to get it out. I have tried to pull it with my fingers. I haven't tried cutting it because I'm afraid I'm gonna cut the refrigerator, like the finish on it or something. So I really don't know, and I think I'm going to just check with GE to see if they have a solution for this, because this is not brilliant. I don't know why they put this on there. It's like they wrapped all of the pieces in plastic wrap and then they put everything together like it's sewn in there or glued in there. I don't really understand it, but it is an issue. It's not a deal breaker because I think at some point I'll be able to figure a way to get it out of there. It was one of the points that I saw that people did not like about it when I researched it online. The other thing that I'm not entirely happy with is the water pressure. The water pressure, if you noticed in the video, the water pressure was not really fast. It's pretty low and it fills a cup slowly. The installer said that it was my water pressure. Well, I mean, my sink runs fine, my shower runs fine. I don't think it's my water pressure. It might be the hose that's hooked up to it. Maybe something's wrong with the hose, but at this point, I am not satisfied with the water pressure. However, with that said, we drink a lot of sparkling water like La Croix and Bubbly. So we don't drink a lot of water out of there. We get ice out, but we don't drink a lot of water, so it's really not a problem for me. But it should work right, and that doesn't work right. The third, fourth, and fifth things that I don't like about this refrigerator is the pink plastic. It is ridiculous. They have got to do something about that. If and when I find out a way to remove it easily, I will edit this video and let you know. Thanks so much for joining me, even though I was away from Monte Cristo. Thought you might like to see this new refrigerator in case you were researching to try to find one. This kind of lets you know what we liked and what we didn't like, how much food fit in it, and how nice it looked or didn't look. Thanks for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notifications, hit that little bell, and that way you'll always know when we put out a new video. Thanks again for coming to Monte Cristo, even away from Monte Cristo.